Hello, my name is Andy Johnson. I'm at Bullion RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. Today I'd like to spend a little bit of time with you and do a short video of our 2015 Livin Lite. And this is Camp Lite 6.8. I'll move the camera around. Lots of outside storage. Propane hookup right here, so you can have that grill going. Power jacks, all four. Okay, I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but this camper weighs 1,780 pounds. Nice and light. 6-gallon hot water heater. Nice long north and south bed. £20 propane tank right here. Okay, sorry about that compressor noise, guys. Okay, we'll just start up here in the bedroom. The mattress folds over, so when it's not bedtime, you fold it over, and then you've got your fridge right here. You've got your table up there, folding table. You've got your TV that swings out, Coleman air conditioner, convection microwave right here, sink, your cooktop, your couch, lots of storage, LED lights throughout, AM/FM CD player, lots of storage, as you can tell. Okay, now an important feature is we've got our bathroom. Our toilet shower combo with the fan up top and another fan right here as well. Then your furnace, or I'm sorry, your converter's right there, and there's your furnace right there. Thermostat. Well, my name is Andy Johnson. I'm at Bullion RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in our 2015 Livin Lite, Camp Lite 6.8, just call or text me at 218-391-ANDY. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. And as always, keep on traveling.